Hey there, welcome back. Jazzy here, and today we are reviewing Transformers Generations Titans Return Misfire and his Titan Master Aimless. He's a deluxe class figure, and I have to say they did a really good job of making him look like the G1 Misfire. I do have the G1 Misfire, but I just not bringing him down here today. Um, Basically, he looks just like this, only he doesn't move. You can move his arms a bit, that's it. That's all there is to him. He does come with these two weapons, which you can put together. A tab like so. And that would hold the Titan Master. You can put that down on Fort Max or Trypticon as a weapon. And let's have a look at Aimless. Nice bit of detail put into this one, actually. I think we got a red helmet, we got blue eyes, and a white plastic face there. Articulation-wise, they're all the same. Move their arms a bit, move their legs a bit. But I have to say, that looks a lot better. That's one of the better painted Titan Master heads I've seen. Yeah, there he is. And let's just have a look at Misfire's face. Really nice. I think his eyes would look better red. I believe Decepticons had red eyes normally, but he looks really nice. Got some stickers here on his shoulders, Decepticon logos, and we got a couple stickers here on his shins. Little red paint apps here. Not much in terms of paint on this guy. Some more stickers back here, which are more for his vehicle mode, and a bit of silver detail paint there. He's mainly a pink purple, kind of a purple, light purple, gray figure. So the stickers are nice. I do like them. For comparison, here he is with his Decepticon buddy, Trigger Happy. And we have a Voyager class figure here as well for size comparison. He's your general deluxe size figure. No bigger, no smaller. But he's really a nice figure. I'm glad I got him. Apparently he wasn't on the shelves very long. The only one of those jets I didn't get was Slinger, who I'm hoping to get soon. But let's get him down to his jet mode. First we will put his fists up into the arms like so. Now let's untab and move up the cockpit like so. Now his legs, they do tab together like that, and the feet do go in. What you want to do is turn his waist like so. I do believe. Or not. No. There's a ratchet here. Pull that out. Then his legs will go in like that. His arms do detach like so. And you can put them down here like that. You want to make sure you're rotating the wing as you're moving the arm down. And there is a tab port down here for that to fit into. So same thing with this arm. Just move the wing as you're rotating it down. and tab it in there like that. His wings need to go down, just push them down a little. Make sure that tab stays in. And there we go. Make sure that's snapped into place. There is your Misfire transformed. The cockpit does open for aimless to go in. And there's a full chair in there, so you want to bend his knees. And his weapons. You can put them here on his sides, either which way you prefer. Put them on like that. And there he is transformed. Really nice. The stickers and the paint look really nice in his jet mode. Sticker here's on the wings, down here on the back. Nice paint detail to break up the purple. Up here as well, Decepticon logo. It looks really nice. Down below, the robot parts are pretty well hidden. You do have a bit of things sticking out here with the arms. Kind of reminds me of the Combiner Wars figures. But all in all, I think he looks really, really nice. They did a good job with this deluxe figure. Well worth the price of a deluxe figure at that. And definitely someone that a figure you can pick up if you can find them. I hear he's a bit harder to find. So I guess I was lucky to get him. So until next time, this is Jazzy. Have a good one.